A little bit better. This is a stainless steel 304 grade parallel measured coupling. It's a very huge size coupling. This is the size of this coupling is 90 mm OD into 3 inch BSP. 90 mm OD means it will shoot 90 mm OD tube on one end, and other end will go into 3 inch BSP female thread. This is a maximum size that can possibly made in a parallel measured coupling in hydraulic fittings, and we have been regularly making this particular size for a very prestigious product just going on, a very prestigious project that's going on in some place here in Tamil Nadu.